Babsat. Gigil na gigil si Banat Bay. O, ito muna, pakinggan natin. Okay, let's go to Department of National Defense, Gibo Chidoro, Babsat.
Recently, the U.S. Secretary of
Xi Jiang, China. Oh, isang China. 4-star pa, oh, mga Babsat, oh. Aba, 4-star general to, ah. O, sige, tuloy.
State Marco Rubio said that the Russian-Ukraine war is a proxy war between nuclear powers and needs to be ended. And meanwhile, the United States is selling more arms to this region and setting up more military bases in the Philippines. So, if the proxy war in Europe needs to be ended, are you concerned that a proxy war in Asia might be launched? Thank you.
Now, to our Chinese interlocutors, I shall address you collectively. And thank you for the propaganda spills disguised as questions. Unfortunately, in my personal opinion, the fact that the question was asked in the way it does, it engenders a deficit of trust in China's words vis-a-vis its actions.
Vis-a-vis.
I just look back to 1995 on a place called Mischief Reef.
Oh,
There were a few bamboo structures erected there. And China said,
O, anong sinabi ng China? May mga bamboo-bamboo dyan sa Mischief Reef.
that these were temporary havens for fisherfolk.
O, temporary havens. O, dan yung magmamamalagi yung mga isda. Harangan siguro nila. Anyari?
Now you have an artificial military island.
Agoy, sampal. Putragis. Paano yan, Sir Leo? Naspak. Agoy. Nakapaw. O, ano naman sasabihin ni 4-star general dito? Kaso wala atang response eh. O, sige tuloy. Gibo, pasok.
Heavily militarized.
Heavily militarized.
China says that it has peaceful intentions. Why does it continue to deny the Philippines its rightful provenance under international law and UNCLOS? And as proof of this, we do not stand alone. None have agreed with China.
Aray. O, walang pumanig sa China. O, sa Pilipinas.
And none has condemned the Philippines
Yun.
for standing up against China in the face of a threat to its territorial integrity and sovereignty. And thus, for dialogue to be effective, it must be coupled with trust. And China has a lot of trust building to do.
Siyempre, kailangan niyang i-build yung kanyang tiwala sa mga Pilipino. Eh, siyempre, nawala na eh. Diba? Eh, paano na lang kung si Pusit ang naging national defense? Sir Leo, paano yan pag si Pusit ang naging national defense? Naku, uto-uto na lang, no? Agoy. Naspak. Buti na lang hindi siya naging national defense. Diba, Naomi? Diba, Chi? Nako po. Oh, guys, sa mga di pa nag-like dyan, like and subscribe po tayo. 173 likers na daw, sabi ni Antonio Marcos. Alright, proceed.
To be an effective negotiating partner in dispute settlement.
Yun.
We have to call a spade a spade. And that's what we see, and that is the biggest stumbling block. Dispute resolution or dialogue with China.
Oh, nako, boss. Solid to, mga kabsat, no? Anong event to? Ano yun? At the 2025 Shangri-La dialogue. Philippine Secretary National Defense directly responds to the questions raised by the Chinese delegates concerning maritime tension in the region, calling out the propaganda disguised as question. And the secretary highlighted that the growing gap between China's word and its actions in the West Philippine Sea. Di ba? Pinangako sa mischief reef na wala itong mga kawakawayan diyan is havens ng mga fishermen, di ba? Kasi nga maraming isla diyan lalagay. Pero ngayon hindi na. Naging isang military island na siya. Nakapaw, nasupalpal sila harap-harapan ni Secretary of Defense Gibo Teodoro. Ba? Nice job. Paano kung si Pusit na lang ang nandyan sa pwestong yan? Na yan ang gusto niya mangyari, di ba? Gibo PBBM 2028. Sabi naman nila yung may balak matamakbo to? Si Gibo for 2028 sa tingin niyo, Mavsat. Sunog ang mga singkit may kay Sec Gibo. Aray ko po. Sakit talaga, di ba? Ang sakit, ang alam lang ng 4-star general ang history ng mischief. Yun lang, Sir Leo. Putragis. So, ayan, Mavsat. So, ano pa ba? Tingnan natin. Papayakan ba natin si Kwan dito? Si Koki?